What would you like to share? You're free to share with me a message. I'm open to receive it. From the tree, I should say more specifically. What would you like to share? Thank you for being here. Thank you for being here. We are connecting to your way of speaking. It's been some time since anyone has offered to allow me to speak and share. I've seen many come and go, all with the questions and worries about survival, but not many take the time to be. There's insects attracted to the energy as well. Not many take the opportunity to be and connect. In your mind's eye, you just reminded, or you've seen a flash of the Avatar movie where they went to the tree they called Awa to receive knowledge. And what we would like to share with you is, if you were to take the opportunity to tap into the trees, you can receive information. We can share with you how to be resilient and how to move from a place of survival to always having more than enough. We can communicate with you through visions. If you were to place your hands and or feet on the tree, you can receive communication absorbed through your skin. Some of you who are highly intuitive can receive the messages visually, and some of you who are open to communicating and translating the messages, you can receive them through your vocal box, your communication. We have been here. We've always been here. We've always been connected, and we will always be connected, as we are you and you are us. We are all one, sharing in this experience of Earth, sharing in the experience of co-creating and how to shift the vibrations. We all desire to be an energy where we can support one another. And if you were to look at some of the activities going on within the leaves, you can see how what may seem like an energy that has been stuck or planted here is providing so much support, so much communication for lots of species. As you are a species, as the dragonflies are a species, as the different birds are coming in, there's lots of information that we have access to and that we can share. So you can take the example as to if you are feeling as you are stuck in one place or feeling like you want to share but you don't know what to share, look at what you have growing from you. Look at what you can provide from the simplest thing. The simplest things can be provided to you. As many different birds and creatures are being shown to this beautiful species here, we are all connected, and our vibration calls in more and more and more as we tune into the collective consciousness. As you are allowing yourself to be a part of the experience, everything is connected. The wind, the trees, the insects, the birds, the water, it's all connected. We are all